So how you can promote CLICKBANK products without having to have a website? Now I see lots of people are asking me these kind of questions. How can I make money really fast without having to build my new landing page or new website to promote CLICKBANK products? Now see over here, I'm in my CLICKBANK account, one of my accounts, and this was my test account because I was testing out without a website with a new traffic source, which is basically kind of like solo ads. Basically, it's our buyers' traffic, buyers' clicks that are sent to your offer or your CLICKBANK affiliate link. Now you see over here, I had 47, and if I move it away, hop count. So I had 47 people who clicked on my CLICKBANK affiliate ID link. And in this video, I will later on, if you decide to work with me, share exactly which offer I promote and how I send traffic to my affiliate link. So you can see over here, I had 47 clicks. Now pay attention over here. I have 9 hops per order, and all order form impressions, basically 57 impressions. And here you can see 8.77% conversion. Initial sales 5. Now you might be thinking, what, $180 only? Now pay attention, because I promote really high quality offers. You can see I had extra 7 upsells, and altogether I made $499 without having any ads, without Facebook ads, without Google ads, and without making any kind of offers elsewhere. So I will show you over here. Right now I will go out of here, out of my CLICKBANK account, and you will be able to see in a moment over here. Okay, so I want to show you this. Why driving paid traffic to a squeeze page is like setting your money on fire. Now you see, if you have a squeeze page and collecting only emails, you need some time to make money with CLICKBANK, because if you send money to the squeeze page, people will put their names and email address, you will build your list. Yes, that's right, that's true, all nice and good, but you won't be making any sales. So the best approach is to go straight for direct sale. This is called direct response marketing. So you want to go straight for sale, and now you don't have to have a website and you don't have to run any ads at all. No Google ads or no Facebook ads. So what I did, you can see over here, the big takeaway. If you have 1,000 clicks with only 1% conversion, now keep in mind I had 8.7% conversion. So this is like total minimum. I'm talking about the minimum of the minimum. If you have only 1% conversions from 1,000 clicks, this means you get 10 sales. If the offer is $199, you have made almost $2,000 in profit. So by removing the squeeze page, by removing people's squeeze page and going straight for the sale, you can expect this kind of results. Now this is at the minimum. You could see before I had 8.7% conversion rate. Now if I had 8.7 conversion rate over only 8, let's say, I would make much more sales over here, and this would be much bigger number over here. So when you're paying for your clicks though, it just makes more sense to drive them straight to the sales instead. Now you ask yourself how, what you did. So I will show you here my pro tips. You need to have a good unique angle. You see, I have a good unique angle. I know which offer converts and how it converts. So I will send traffic, buyers traffic, basically solo ads, clicks to that offer, and that visitors who are visiting that link will most likely buy. Why? Because they are already previous buyers of Digistore or CLICKBANK products, and I already know it's going to convert really well with the offer and a good angle that I position myself with. So what is the first step? How you can make the same amounts of money? How you can make $500 in sales, $1,000 or $3,000 in sales with CLICKBANK products without having any website? So you see over here, the step 1 is to copy and paste your CLICKBANK affiliate link. Now if you're still watching this video and if you haven't left yet, what I ask you to do is to connect with me one-on-one. Below this video are going to be links to my email and social media accounts where you can purchase those buyers clicks, those visitors to your affiliate link. Now how you can do that, below this video is going to be also my PayPal link and my social media accounts where you can contact me and I can exactly step by step show you how you can do it so you can put it into action. Now my buyers clicks are all from 5 different continents, 5 different countries. So we have UK, Australia, New Zealand, US and Canada. Top countries, and demographics is white collar professionals, basically people working in offices, dentists, lawyers, stuff like people like that. And demographic is 35 to 65 years old. So this is people with a credit card, so they can purchase the product and they are most likely to purchase the product that we are promoting. So how to get started, how you can get same results like me or even better. You can get in touch with me on social media or email. So you can get done for your campaigns. You can purchase from me quality traffic and you will receive in the same time clicks, visitors to your ClickBank affiliate link without having to set up any website. No website, no Facebook ads, no Google ads. Straight to your link, direct response marketing, straight to the offer. So below this video are going to be links, like I said, to my PayPal account. Now you can purchase buyers clicks. Now how you can purchase buyers clicks, you can see over here. I will move over here my camera. You can see the minimum offer you can purchase is 250 clicks plus 50 extra buyers clicks. So if you purchase today from me, you will get additional 50 clicks, 50 visitors to your affiliate link on ClickBank. So basically that is $497. So you are paying $497 for 300 clicks. Now if you watch this video very carefully, you saw I had only 47 clicks and 53 impressions on my ClickBank affiliate link. Now this means that I made $499 only from 49 clicks to my affiliate link. Over here I'm giving you 300 clicks. 300 clicks that are going straight to your affiliate link on ClickBank, and this will cost you, the investment is $497 one time. And if you want 500 clicks to your offer, it's $997. Now you choose which one you want, which one will make you more money, because let's be honest, I had only 47 clicks and 8% conversion rate. Now see, I made $500, $499 from only these 49 to 53 impressions and clicks. So here I'm giving you much more than this. I'm giving you 300 buyers clicks for $497, and I'm giving you exact offer and also email campaign that you will be able to use to get those sales, because every market has their own trigger points. People are triggered by pain and different emotions. So that's why it's really important that you know what you're doing. So I'm giving you free support over here as well, and for $497 or $997 you can get buyers traffic sent today to your affiliate link. So please subscribe to my channel, and below this video is going to be link to my PayPal where you can PayPal me $497 or $997 and comment in the notes, I'm sending you this and this. And after that, please reach out to me on my Facebook, WhatsApp, email or Instagram. All of it is below this video. All the links where you can connect personally and ask me questions are below this video. And this is all from now. And if you really want to have success, if you really want to have sales without having your own website, without wasting time and just getting something started, right, to have some fast cash before Christmas and holidays, then let me know and we can get you started. So take care for watching.